Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So today we are making a pasta dish. So let's jump right into it. So for the pasta, I've got a pot full of water boiling here, into which I'm going to add some salt to taste as well as some oil. Now let's add the pasta. I'm using macaroni here. You can use any pasta of your choice. Now let this cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Just make sure you don't overcook it. So the pasta is done. So we'll drain all the water and pour some cold water over it. Now the pasta is ready and I've taken it out in a plate. We'll keep this aside. So I've got the veggies ready in here. I've used brinjal and the mushrooms. You can use zucchini, carrot, beans, any vegetables of your choice. So I've got them chopped and ready. Now I'm sauteing them in some butter. And adding some salt to taste to it. Let's add some red chilli flakes as well. We'll saute it for a few more minutes until they are half cooked. So the veggies are ready. Let's remove it from fire and keep it aside. Now it's time to make the tomato base, for which I've got some oil heating in the pan and I've added the minced garlic into it. After cooking it for a few seconds, I'm adding the finely chopped onions. Cook this until they are translucent. Now it's time to add the tomato puree. Mix all the ingredients together and let it cook for a few seconds. Now let's add tomato ketchup to this mixture. Now I'm adding a pinch of sugar, salt to taste, and lots of pepper powder. I'm also adding some mixed herbs here. Mix everything together and let this cook for another 5 minutes. We need to reduce this and thicken the sauce. So all the components are ready. I've taken a microwavable dish here and we are going to layer the pasta bake in this. We'll start with the tomato base. I'm going to add half of the tomato base to the bottom of the dish and spread it evenly. Now I'm going to top it with pasta. Now let's add the vegetables on top. Since I wanted to make this non-veg, I've added some fried sausages to it. You can omit that. I'm adding the rest of the tomato base here, followed by the rest of the pasta. Now let's top this with some sliced cheese and some diced cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Make sure you evenly fill it and then top it with some mixed herbs and black pepper powder. So the bake is ready. Now we'll put this in the microwave in convection mode for 170 degrees Celsius, 10 to 15 minutes. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.